Chogyur Lingpa dwelled in a cave in Kham called the Crystal Cave of the Lotus. At dawn, he had a vision of Terma, who told him 3 times, "It is good, it is good, it is good." Tibetan, lekso, lekso, lekso. This utterance of the deity was the blessing that opened Chogyur Lingpa's mind to the inner revelation of words spoken long ago by Padmasambhava. He titled this Terma Terra's profound drop meaning here that which collects the essential in a concise form. Chogyur Lingpa disclosed what he had received only to one person, Jamyang Khyentse Wangpo. The latter kept it secret for 3 years, then transmitted it to Jamgon Lodro Taye, who gave definitive form to the ritual and widely disseminated it. The Terma is comprised of several texts corresponding to many stages of outer, inner, and secret practice.